Hey, what's up, guys? I just want to give you a little report. In front of my hotel in Dortmund, Germany, and I wanted to take you on a little tour. But before that, I just want to show you this flying rhino with wings. I don't know what's up with that, but yeah, it's all around my hotel, so I'm not really sure. Can you see the flying rhino on wings? In red color and all sorts of colors. Anyways, I'm EDC Gunner, you're watching the EDC Watches, and I want to take you on a little tour of Dortmund. BVB, Dortmund, Borussia Dortmund is playing in a Champions League final if you are fans, and I'm gonna try to I have a friend who used to live here and he's a big fan. I'm gonna try to find him some souvenirs. Okay, it's been raining. It was pouring, not raining, it was pouring down just like 15 minutes ago. And I'm here, I don't know where is this, but I know it's a city center. And like in Nürnberg, I showed you, I'm not really sure that I showed you that video. There's some sort of a fair here, so yeah, I'm not really hungry, but I might try some local specialties, even though I'm not a fan. I'm not really a fan of German food, but yeah, here we have big Schlebowski. Cool. Some pubs. I don't know what's going on here. I don't know, is this a beer fest or everyone's drinking beer, but we are in Germany after all, so yeah, I think it's some sort of a beer fest. Didn't really prepare myself or didn't really Google this, but yeah, just wanted to show you a little bit, and yeah, the most interesting thing about Dortmund is, like I said, at least for me, the football club, the real football club, not the yeah, but it's not a big city. It's like 600 600,000 people. Yeah, but it's charming. It's green. It's very green, so I like that. You have here tobacco shop. Might try here to find some cigarillos or something. I enjoy occasional cigarillo or fine cigar. Here we have some nice drops. We have Taoist curtain and some sort of things. Going home tomorrow, so I might buy some souvenirs as well. I don't like to buy fridge magnets and stuff like that, but yeah, I like to buy something. For once I was in Vienna, I bought a pinel knife, and I still have it. And the fridge magnets, I don't really care for those. So yeah, like I said, it has a lot of green areas, and I absolutely love that. Just like the city I live in, it's very green, and everything is better when it's green, isn't it? Yeah. It's not really interesting once you see one German town. You see a lot of them, and there's some sort of a park here. I want to show you that. And yeah, Champions League here in a couple of days, and it's gonna be nice. Very cool park. As I'm getting old, I more and more prefer parks and nature and peace and quiet rather than as opposed to city life. Yeah, I guess it comes with age. And I like gold watches now. Yeah, that's also a thing. Okay, I think it's going to rain again, so I might wrap this short. They do love their beer. Yeah, Germans, the Germans, they do love their beer as well. This is wonderful. It says here the Stadtgarten, which is like a city garden. It's very nice. Charming city. I'm really fond of them. There's two guys fighting over there. So yeah. Charming. See, I'm not gonna go there. I just took a shower, so I don't want to break a sweat. Yeah. Anyways, very charming city, very green, and I like it because of the Borussia Dortmund thing. And yeah. So that's it, guys. If I find something extraordinary, interesting, or even if it doesn't rain, I will come back to you. So thank you for watching, and do let me know if you like these videos. Dortmund, you can see it on the map. I will pin it down, but it's very close to Amsterdam. I was planning to go for a weekend actually to Holland, but not really to Amsterdam, to Hague or other cities. Amsterdam is crowded with tourists, so yeah. Thank you, guys. Here I am at some sort of a city square. I like this city. It's not too big, not too crowded, a lot of green stuff, and yeah. Here we have some older buildings. Here you can see through the tree, and this is a Karstadt. I noticed that in Germany, in lots of cities they have Karstadt. Is this mall or what? Not really sure. Don't really care for malls.